Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Raymond AIG. On this channel I will be making a lot of videos, but recently I've decided to do more of videos on automation, like home automation. So I have here this smart plug. It's a model LSPA7. I've been using this particular brand for over 2 years and I just decided to make this, should I call it, long-term review, so we all can see how durable it is and how it works. So I got this from AliExpress. I bought a ton of them. I've used and even given many out. These three are perfect, but these two have an issue which I will discuss later in the video. For this one, when you plug it, you see it has blue and red, which means it's connected to the network. Let's go to the app. You can either use Tuya app or Smart Life app, whichever one is convenient for you. They work almost similar. Just permit me, I'm recording my screen. I will try to make my videos unedited so you would get it firsthand of how it's happening here in the studio. This was installed with Tuya app. I use this in the visitors room. So let's watch that. Room AC. Visitors room is connected now. It's going off and on. Let's go into the app. You can turn it off and on from this. The app has a lot of functions. Electric, for instance, you can see the power you are consuming real time. Total kilowatt hour since I installed this in the room is 48 kilowatt hour. Currently we have 230 volts entering the socket. No power is in use. No current is being drawn. So let's plug something and see how well it reads. Just excuse me. Mind you, this thing is not afraid of a load. It's rated 16 amps, and trust me, if you load it 16 amps continuously, it will function perfectly. So this is a heat gun. I put it at the highest now. We should be drawing about 1800 watts. You can see it's 1500. Okay, fair. Let me reduce it. So this is level 1. You can see it drawing 105 watts. Level 2. It usually updates faster than this. 763. Level 3, 1500. I have to take it off because it could burn a lot of things. See, 1500. So that's for the power monitor. This is the AC since it was installed. You can see it. You go back. Timer. You can set countdown when the pump is on, or rather when the switch is on. Sorry, I use pump because I use it for one of my pump. When the switch is on, you can set it to go off in 2 hours. Play. So when the countdown is over, it goes off. Timer. Schedule. You can schedule it for the times you want it to come on. Add a schedule. Maybe on Sunday you want the switch to come on at a certain time. You set it. It's pretty straightforward to install that. Circulate. It's more of rationing when you want the power to come on and off. Random. You allow the AI to choose for you when it comes on and when it goes off. Astronomical. You can see it. This can be something like for when you're using it for night lamps or things that you would like to use during the night or during the day. You understand? So you can set this astronomical. I'm going to disconnect this, like reset it, and reconnect it so you see how well it works. So I'm resetting this now. To reset it, you hold this button for 5 seconds. It's off now. Okay, let's do it again. Turn off, turn on. It's blinking slowly now, but you wait till it start blinking fast. See, it is blinking fast. When you've gotten to this stage, you go to your Tuya app after logging in with whichever means you choose. Click on plus, add a device. Most times it automatically discovers the device by itself. You can see it has gotten a device already. Or alternatively, you can click on socket Wi-Fi, which is what you're installing. And you put your password. The video will be unedited, so just excuse me. You can see it is being added. Most times, even when you disconnect a plug, the Wi-Fi saves the name. So whenever you reconnect it, it connects back. So let's see if that's what will happen now. Remember, it was named the visitors room. You see, it saved the name and it has added it back at visitors room. So wherever you were, you continue from that. Done. So that is basically how it works. Now, this is the one I use for my room, the AC in my room. It's currently on. It's taking those 371 watts. I've used 3.98 kilowatt hour today. And this is the whole of 2023. And this is January 2024. It's pretty hot here in Nigeria currently, so see, I use the AC every day. Yesterday I used 3.9, just like that. It's an inverter AC, so it does not consume that much. You can see every day I use it, it stores my kilowatt hour I used. So you see how important it is. Now, where this applies, you can use it for automation. You're coming from work and you don't want to come to a hot room. You can just set your AC to turn on just before you get to your gate. Part of it, you want to pump water, your water is full, you don't want to go out to turn it off, you can set it to work with this. Though on the next video, I'll be reviewing the type of smart device I use for my water pump. Not this one, not this 13 amps plug. I use a different type. Though it still works with Tuya, and I will show you how to connect that too. It has so many applications. Okay, fine. I live off grid. I don't use power supply. I don't use power from the power holding company. My inverters should work 24 hours. So I put one for my dispenser. One of these was for my dispenser. It goes off in the night when I'm not using it and come on in the morning. This was for my TV console, but something happened. Why I said, you can see they are blinking. They're not bad, but I think there's an error somewhere. I changed the router these two were connected to, and they refused to go into reset mode. Turn it off and turn it on. The light is so faint, it will be blinking, unlike this that comes on immediately. and it's connected. These ones are in sort of a loop, but refusing to reset no matter how hard I press it. So that's the challenge I'm having now. A moment, please. That's the challenge I'm having now with this particular socket. These two rather. This is working perfectly. I bought this out of the visitor's room so you could see how easy it is to even disconnect and reconnect it. These two are currently offline. I turned them off from the switch. That should be all for this video. It's something you would like if you are lazy like some of us that can't go to turn off the switch every time. You must not be lazy per se. It gives you convenience. If you want one, I think it's available on Amazon. Though it comes in different brands, but as long as you see it named Tuya there, it works almost the same way. You can use it with Google Assistant. Okay, look at this. Turn off visitor's room AC. Turn off visitor's room AC.
Sorry, it looks like that device hasn't been set up yet. You can do that in Assistant settings.
Okay, it's connected to my Siri. Let me do that on Siri. Hey Siri, turn off visitor's room AC. I'm recording with my iPhone, so it might not work, but I would show you that maybe on a shot after this. Let me try for my room AC. Turn off room AC.
Alright, turning room AC off.
Wait, I turned off the room AC. Okay, I guess this visitor's room didn't work because I just added it. Maybe I need to refresh the app or something. Let me turn on the room AC back. Sorry, I'm not using Hey Google because I have so many Google devices on right now.
I didn't understand.
Turn on room AC.
Alright, turning on room AC.
Turn on one gang Wi-Fi switch.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Okay, that was to turn on this. I think I need to rename it to something less generic. Turn off Madam Room. Turn off Madam Room.
Okay, turning off Madam Room.
See how you can use Google Assistant. You can use Alexa to work with Tuya. It's pretty impressive and something many of us will like. So that is that for this video. If you want to see more similar videos relating to this, please give a follow, and if you like the presentation, though it's a bit inept, you can give me a like and I will appreciate that. Thanks for watching.